The best way to withdraw your Upwork funds is by linking your TransferWise or Wise account to your Upwork and withdrawing directly to your Wise account, and you can now sell your Wise account funds to people that buys it. In which I buy Wise funds, you can sell your Wise funds to me, and the Wise exchange rate is slightly higher than Pioneer exchange rate. So Wise seems to be the highest rate. Sometimes Wise will say you should fund your account with $20 before they can activate your USD account or any other account. You have to fund it with equivalent of 20 USD. So if you have issues with this and you have issues with getting a card to fund your, or getting a way to fund your Wise account, you can contact me and we'll get to solve that out. So but you can just contact me and we'll get to talk about that. But that seems to be the best way you can withdraw your Upwork funds nowadays. But aside that, you can check this video here. You see, you can follow the same way I explained it. Same way the best way you can withdraw your Fiverr funds. It's also applicable for Upwork. You can follow the method, that is by using Pioneer and making sure that the Pioneer you are using has exceeded the 1K threshold for transfer. So thanks for watching, and I hope you find this video helpful, and please subscribe to this YouTube channel so you can see related content that I used to create. Thanks for watching. Peace.